We're officially in spring. Right. Right, so we're officially in spring, and that means getting the car ready for spring. This is the fourth shoot we're doing for me to basically explain to you that we're in spring and I'm about to detail a car, 10 stages for the perfect spring detail. Let's just keep this cut. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's go. Okay, so step one is a visual inspection of the car, and that includes everything from any new dings, any new scratches, all your rubber seals around the doors, tar spots. Now's a really good chance to check over the entire car thoroughly. Look out for new stuff that has occurred over this winter period. So let's do that. So checking the lower half of the vehicle, look out for the tar spots. We had plenty here. The door jambs also horrifically dirty. Along the windows you can see a lot of moss buildup from infrequent detailing. Give your wiper blades a thorough check, make sure it hasn't got any nicks. Here we had a lot of dirt buildup in the wheel arches. Stuff like this causes a lot of rust on your wings. Check the rubber seals, make sure there are no tears. Finally the engine bay. Check the screen wash, the engine oil, and the coolant level. Time for the initial hit, a super strong mix of snow foam. Okay, so I've just gone over the complete vehicle with snow foam. That's my first step in the actual detail, just to get rid of all the grime, because it was so heavily caked. My initial snow foam, a bit stronger, was just to rip that all off. Now we'll go into the wheels and tyres, and then we'll follow up with another snow foam for the trims and badges. For this detail, I'm going to be using our brand new product. It's designed to clean the wheels. You can probably guess what the product name is going to be. And it's absolutely fantastic at cutting through grime, and it was perfect for this detail because this car had just not been looked after. Step number 5, shampoo and the classic 2-bucket method and my microfiber wash mitt so I could be a lot more thorough with the wash stage. So the next stage was a liquid decontamination. I hit the car with tar and glue remover, insect remover, and of course some iron reactor all over the panels. Next stage is to polish. I'm going to go for my glaze with a finishing pad and a machine polisher. Of course you can use glaze by hand if you want to, but I want to speed things up a bit. I want to use my new machine polisher, so we'll go over the vehicle and then we'll get some protection on there and start closing this off. So seeing as we had glazed the paintwork, I thought it'd be a really good idea to get some of my spray wax on here to get that extra bit of carnauba glow from the paintwork. I decided to finish off the tyres with my rubber and trim dressing. I didn't really fancy the gloss from the tyre shine, I wanted more of a matte finish which rubber and trim dressing does provide. Right, so the final stage to the detail was of course getting some glass cleaner on there, and I'd finish it off by sealing the windows. Right, so that's the detail complete. 10 awesome easy steps to follow to get your car ready for spring. You don't need that many tools and accessories. Yes, I used a machine polisher, but keep in mind you can use glaze by hand. Got some protection on there and got rid of all that dirt and grime that had built up under the arches. You saw how much junk came out. Absolutely disgusting. That stuff is going to cause you rust in the long run. So it's a really good idea after winter, clean out the car thoroughly from all that debris, dirt, grit, all that junk, pull it all out. But there we go, it is perfectly ready for spring and summer.